Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually downstairs filming this video in my living room, and that is because I have an unboxing video for you, and this has to do with babies and toddlers. So if you're not a parent, then this video might not be for you. I'm sorry, but this is what I'm doing today. Basically, I am upgrading my son's high chair. He's about to be 2.5 next month, and I just feel like he's starting to outgrow his original high chair that he's had ever since he was born, and that's why I needed another high chair for him. Alright, so the reason why I wanted a new high chair for him is just because I don't feel comfortable transitioning him from his old high chair directly to the dining room chairs, and that is because I actually have designer chairs. They cost $800 a piece, and my son is 2.5. And when you're a parent, you know toddlers are messy. They spill things, they break things. So, you know. The high chair that I bought for him is the Stokke Tripp Trapp, and I got it all right here, and I'm going to show you. Alright, so this is the high chair right here. I mean, this is not the actual color that I got. I got it in the color hazy gray. But you're going to see the color because guess what? I'm actually going to attempt to build this myself. Now as a single mom, I kind of have to do it because there's no one else that can. But I believe in myself and I think that I can do it. So I'm going to film this and hopefully it won't end in a disaster, but we'll see. But anyway, yeah, so I got this in hazy gray. I just really wanted something neutral for him. I didn't like the really bright colors. Also, I didn't like the white. It just, in my opinion, looked fake and plasticky, and I just wanted one of the neutral colors, and that's why I went with the hazy gray. So I paid $199.99 for this chair. I think if you go to like different places, you can get it a little cheaper. Online, I saw this exact chair for $179.99, but I actually got this at my local baby store because I wanted to support, you know, the local business. But yeah, that's just a chair. Then I also got these gliders. It's just so that it won't tip over, hopefully, fingers crossed. And these are also in hazy gray, and I paid $8 for these too. And they come in all the different matching colors for the actual Tripp Trapp chair. So that's awesome. And then I also got him the classic cushion. This is 100% organic cotton, which I think is awesome. Now there's like two different versions of this seat cushion. There's one like this with just like the cotton. Actually, there's three. There's one that has the organic cotton, and that's the one that I got. And this is in the color Timeless Green, because I just thought that would look so perfect with the color of the chair. But then there's also the regular cushion with just regular cotton. And then there's a third option that has like some coating on top so that you can wipe it with like some wet paper towel or something like that. But yeah, I wanted to get the organic cotton. So before my son uses the chair, I'm actually going to pop this in the washer, but I'm going to show it to you for the sake of the video, what it's going to look like. With the cushion, but after the video is filmed, I'm actually going to take it off and put it in the washer and then wait until it's dry to let him use it. But yeah, and this one was $45, so it's kind of expensive if you ask me. But yeah, anyway, enough with the talking, let's do this. I'm going to build the Stokke Tripp Trapp.